This is a quick start guide to mounting a sublethal remote gun. This is how you'll receive your sublethal remote gun. The box is quite heavy at 32 kilograms, that's 70 pounds, so this is a two-man lift. For mounting the sublethal remote gun onto a pole, you will need 2 spanners size 17, 1 spanner size 13, and a pair of safety glasses. If you don't have metric spanners, you can always use 2 adjustable spanners instead. Let's open the box. For a complete reference and safety warnings, check the installation manual on www.sublethal.co.za. The remote gun working parts are housed in this casing. On top of that is the arm which mounts to the pole or wall. There are 4 mounting bolts and a backplate for mounting the arm onto a pole. In the battery box you will find a hand controller, 100 nylon bullets, a bag of spares which consists of nuts, washers, O-rings for the gun and target stickers. You'll also get an installation guide. Cables in the box are power cable 30 meters, that's 100 foot, comms cable 30 meters, also 100 foot, and a CCTV cable 30 meters, also 100 foot. Those are the 3 cables that you will need for a basic installation. The battery charger is in the white box. The charger accepts 100 volts to 250 volts AC, 50 to 60 Hz, compatible with all countries. The plug is a 2-pin Euro plug. You will need an adapter in the US, UK and some other countries. Mounting the gun can be done by one person, but it's much easier with 2 people. Fasten the nuts with a size 17 spanner. There are spare nuts in the bag of spares if you need them. Put one of the bottom bolts through the loop in the safety cable. The safety cable stops the casing from falling if you drop it. Remove the packaging. The cables are already connected to the remote gun. Fit the battery box onto the backplate and fasten with the M10 nylock nuts provided. Remove the packaging from the battery box. Run the battery clamps through the hole at the bottom of the battery box. Note that the battery charger is not connected yet. Remove the packaging from the battery. Insert the battery into the battery box. Connect the black clamp to negative and the red clamp to positive. Plug in the battery charger. Remove the packaging from the hand controller. For wireless control, please check the Sublethal GSM controller. If there's a grey film on the front face or the back plate, peel that off. In this case, the grey film is on the back. 2 keys are supplied with each hand controller. Turn the key clockwise to arm the system. Turn the key anti-clockwise to disarm the system. The round knob controls left and right, the slider controls up and down movement, and the red button is the shoot button. Connect the hand controller into the short grey Ethernet cable. There should only be one plug that is not connected at this stage. That plugs into the back of the hand controller. Turn the key clockwise to arm the system. The screen turns on. You'll hear a gas shutter valve arming inside the casing. The Sublethal remote gun is plug and play. It'll work straight out the box. A quick function test, move left and right. Then move down and up. Press the shoot button. There is no gas at this point, so you'll only hear the motors arming. Turn the key anti-clockwise to disarm. Next, please watch the video on loading the bullets and the gas into the Sublethal remote gun.